Hello everyone, I am Akansha Pundir. Me and my friend Kunal Bose are from Army Public School, Noida. We have made an AI model, the credit card fraud detector. Its domain is statistical data. Our model involves to develop solutions to transform villages and towns to make them hybrid and smart. The model predicts whether the customer's credit card payment is safe or not using the input data given to the model.
So now let us look at the technology used in the model. We have used a decision tree classifier to predict the safety of the payment of the end user. The model is using a dataset of more than 28,000 rows. So now we'll take a look at the working demo of the model. I'll go through the entire code briefly. Here we have prepared the data using the pandas module, and with the help of NumPy module, we have analyzed the data. And in this section, we have checked the imbalance in the data and also the details of the transaction type. And for its calculation, we have used count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and three other data fields. And here we have separated the features and the labels and also trained our model, which is the decision tree classifier. And as you can see, our accuracy score is 99.90%. And in this cell, we'll give the input data. But for now, we'll go ahead. And here we have calculated all the three different scores, the precision score, recall score, and the F1 score, which will help us to tell us the accuracy of the prediction from the input data. We'll also plot a heat map using the confusion matrix according to the input data. So now let us give the input data. As you can see, our model has predicted the transaction of the end user is safe. And now we'll also take a look at the score accuracies. As you can see, the precision score is 0.79, recall score is 0.59, F1 score is 0.66. And you can also have a look at the heat map of the data. As we have seen in the working demo, our model had predicted that the transaction is safe. Here in this example, according to the input data given, our model had predicted that the transaction at that point of time was unsafe.
In the future, we would like to make our program more compatible with all the operating systems available and make the application size as small as possible.
And we would also like to expand the PCA values, the principal component analysis values used in the model, so as to taking more input from the end user. Thank you.